Hello, little explorers. Welcome to the magical garden of letters. Look up in the sky. Here comes the alphabet helicopter. It's flying over the green, grassy garden, bringing us letters from A to Z. Are you ready to learn and play? Let's follow the helicopter as it brings each letter, one by one. Here comes the first one. Get ready for
Letter P. Let's meet the letter P, flying across the green grass in the alphabet helicopter. P is for pot. You can cook yummy food in it. P-O-T. P is for pot. P is for pencil. We use it to draw and write. P-E-N-C-I-L. P is for pencil. Say it with me now. P. 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 Here comes the alphabet helicopter with the letter Q, gliding over the green grass just for you. Q is for queen. She wears a shiny crown and rules the land. Q. U. E. E. N. Q is for queen. Q is for quill. A feather pen used to write in olden days. Q. U. I. L. L. Q is for quill. Let's say it together. Q. 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 Look, the alphabet helicopter is back with the letter R. Racing over the green grass, ready to learn? Let's go! R is for rat. A little animal that squeaks and scurries. R. A. T. R is for rat. R is for radio. Turn it on to hear music and stories. R. A. D. I. O. R is for radio. Say it loud with me. R. 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 Shh! The alphabet helicopter is soaring in with the super letter S. Sweeping across the green grass, let's see what S brings. S is for Sunday. It shines bright in the sky and keeps us warm. S. U. N. Smanus is for sun. S is for swim. Splash and paddle in the water, so much fun. S. W. I. M. S is for swim. Say it with me now. S. 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 Time to meet the terrific letter T. The alphabet helicopter is touching down on the green grass. T is for table. We eat, play, and work on it every day. T. A. B. L. E. T is for table. T is for tin. T is for tin, a shiny little container that holds all kinds of things. T. I. N. T is for tin. Now let's try it together. T. 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 Up, up, and away. The alphabet helicopter is bringing us the letter U, flying above the green grass just for you. U is for umbrella. It keeps us dry when it rains. U. M. B. R. E. L. L. A. U is for umbrella. U is for uniform. The clothes we wear for school or work. U. N. I. F. O. R. M. U is for uniform. Say it nice and clear. U. 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 Room. The alphabet helicopter is here with the vibrant letter V, flying over the green grass, bringing new words your way. V is for van, a big vehicle that takes us places. V, A, N. V is for van. V is for vase. It holds flowers and makes a room look pretty. V, A, S, E. V is for vase. Now say it with me. V, 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 V. Whizzing through the sky comes the wonderful letter W. The alphabet helicopter is waving hello from above the green grass. W is for watch. It tells us the time. Tick, tick, tick. W. A. T. C. H. W is for watch. W is for water. We drink it, splash in it, and swim through it. W. A. T. E. R. W is for water. Say it with me, loud and proud. W. W. W.
W, W, W.
Zoom! The alphabet helicopter is back, and this time it's brought the mysterious letter X. Flying over the green grass, let's explore the sound of X. X is for xylophone, a musical instrument that makes happy sounds. X, Y, L, O, P, H, O, N, E. X is for xylophone. X is for X-ray. It shows us what's inside our bodies. X-R-A-Y. X is for X-ray. Say it with me now. X, 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 X. Yay, the alphabet helicopter is here with the yummy letter Y. Flying across the green grass with more fun words. Y is for yogurt. A tasty treat that's cool and creamy. Y. O. G. U. R. T. Y is for yogurt. Y is for yarn. It's soft and stringy, perfect for knitting. Y. A. R. N. Y is for yarn. Let's say it together. Y. Y. Y.
Y, Y, Y.
Zip, zoom, zoo. The alphabet helicopter is back with the zingy letter zoo. Flying over the green grass one last time. Z is for zebra. With black and white stripes, it runs so fast. Z is for zebra. Z, E, B, R, A. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. It opens and closes your bag or jacket. Z is for zip. Z, I, P. Z is for zip. Say it proudly with me. Z, Z, Z.
Z, Z, Z.
Hooray! You did it. You flew through the entire alphabet from letter A to Z with the amazing alphabet helicopter. We met apples and zebras, queens and radios, and learned so many cool words from the sky. But wait, if you haven't watched the first part, letters A to O, be sure to check it out here now at startlearningABC to complete your A to Z learning adventure. And don't forget to subscribe to @startlearningABC. Share this video with your friends. And come back soon for more fun, flying, and learning. See you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching, little learners.